Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the physical or emailed gift card. Scratch off gently to reveal the full PIN and keep the receipt nearby in case you need proof. Log into the specific Roblox account you intend to credit. Gift cards redeem to an account, not transferable. Once logged in, make sure your browser is updated and your Roblox country/currency settings match the card. Mismatches often block redemption. Now head to the Redeem Roblox Codes page to enter the code. Type the code exactly on the Redeem page. Pay attention to similar characters like O versus 0 or I versus 1 because small mistakes cause failures. If the web page rejects it, try the in-app or store redemption path, Roblox app or console store, since some cards route through different systems. Once entered, the site will validate expiration and region restrictions. If it says used, check your transaction history on that Roblox account. If validation passes, claim proceeds automatically to your balance. After the system accepts the code, immediately verify your Robux or credit balance and review purchase history so you confirm the funds hit the intended account. If redemption failed, first retry on another device or in a private browser to rule out cache or extension issues. If it still fails and the card says unused, contact the retailer for a refund or Roblox support with your receipt, card number, and screenshots. They can trace claims, which is why keeping proof and timing matters for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.